Well, hi, everybody. Rob Saik here from a hotel room in Lethbridge, Alberta. I am a veteran entrepreneur with two public exits, exiting a 20-year build to Trimble and another one, a robotics company, to Raven Industry, primarily working in the agricultural sector and the technology sector. I'm here today to talk to you about leveraging an LLM model that we have built for the farm equipment and the heavy equipment sector. visorPRO is can be thought of as a personal assistant for everybody in the equipment dealership. And so we refer to our AI as Vi. So give Vi a try, say hi to Vi. Vi is your AI. Ask Vi why, all of those things. The pain at the dealership level, whether it's a construction, forestry, trucking, farm equipment dealership level, is real. The pain is real. Tight labor markets, especially in the rural area, mean that recruitment and retention are very difficult, especially in rural marketplaces. Employee burnout, you keep going back and asking more and more questions of your more seasoned veterans. By the end of the season, quality of life is really compromised. Service margins are always under pressure, and the dealerships are always looking for ways to increase team utilization. This is another area that we're tackling. And of course, customer frustration, especially in the agricultural sector. Farmers waiting half a day, 2 days for an answer is a very high level of frustration for the customers. And so we've addressed this head on with visorPRO. Our application is dealer-centric, so we are concentrating on building the model for the dealer, very much dealer-focused. We are short line friendly, and what that means is it not only handles their major lines, but it also handles their short lines. And in many cases, these dealers could be going upwards of 15 to 20 different portals. And we're colorblind because we pull everything together in a single repository, 10 times faster, building their dealer brain. It leverages the knowledge of their internal and external responses. It's like a personal assistant for everybody. The first thing we do is build a vault. This vault is exclusive for the dealership. It's secure, and it encompasses their OEM manuals, their short line manuals, their service bulletins and technical manuals. Work order integration is something we are releasing tomorrow. Multimedia, multimodal support, as well as internal communication. This has all been designed to increase the level of support for the service team inside of the dealership, ultimately meeting for happier customers. So this is what we're all about: dealer-centric, short line friendly, colorblind. Our roadmap is to provide a digital solution for the dealership as a personal assistant for everybody in the company, structuring the dealer vault for speed and accuracy. And this is all built, and I'll show you this in a second. Tomorrow, we release dealerBRAIN, which captures the experiential knowledge and wisdom of their team inside their vault, along with work order integration and legacy documents inside of their vault. This is all going to lead to something called Dealer Asset, where we turn the digital tools that we're building into additional revenue streams for the dealership. Think enhanced work order flow, think greater revenue in the service department, think about leveraging this for enhanced warranty claims and external revenue sources through subscriptions, etc. So what I'm showing you now is live. This is all built. visorPRO allows you to put all of your documents from all of your lines into one manual, main line and short line. You simply choose the model that you're working with, and you put that in, you select the model, and you ask your question. Then you ask, where do you want to extract the sources of information from? And the answer comes out in seconds. There is no fabrication of information. It documents everywhere the answer comes from, along with references and safety practices. You can expand the references. And now what we're adding in right now is the ability to capture the brain of the dealership by putting in annotation, building that experiential wisdom. Legacy documents can be captured in. Error code and false code messages are also built into the system, and we're just getting started. So this is what we've built and launched and are commercial with visorPRO. We are operational in Canada, the US, Australia, and we've got quotations out in Argentina right now, and we're seeking international expansion in the UK. Our dealers are saying through visorPRO, we're increasing efficiency of our technicians and ultimately supporting our customers better. And Brian Torgerson in Montana, Wyoming said this is like manufacturing time. Our customers include the largest New Holland dealership in Canada, Mazer Group, the largest New Holland dealership in Australia with McIntosh and Sons. We've got business in Indiana, Michigan, and all through Canada. And like I said, we're expanding now into Latin America. We own all of our IP. We own our team. We're fully commercial since January. We've got over 700,000 in ARR. So what I'm looking for right now is full scaling into a multi-sector global market with a total addressable of well over 20 billion. Our leadership team comprises of myself, Brock Moyer. We've got very seasoned board members. Brock comes from the Alberta Machine Intelligence Institute in Edmonton. His background is physics and data science and AI. And so we've been together for now closing on over 4 years, 5 years as a team. In 2025, we'll be seeking an A round in 2025 for around $5 million to expand geographically with our footprint. Multi-language capability is something we're rolling out in the next 6 months or so. And sectors, we're talking about agriculture, construction, forestry. Today, I'm talking to a trucking company in oil and gas. The EBITDA of our model is north of 60%. And here on the screen, you're just seeing a snippet of our revenue projections based on agricultural only. And you can see that the EBITDA target by 2027 is north of 70% EBITDA. This is a very profitable business. So in summary, leading edge technology, proven technical team, known address point that we're pain point we're addressing, and a very, very large multi-sector applicability. And I'll stop it there, Michael. That's the end of my presentation.
Thanks so much, Robert. That was great, very clear. Any questions first from the virtual crowd? I thought that was very clear. We're going to kind of keep it short because we're going to have lunch here pretty soon. But I want to congratulate you on a great talk. Any additional expertise that you want the money to come along with? Any particular advisors that you might be looking for in addition to the cash?
Well, in addition to the cash, that's a big question. In addition to the cash is really the king. And I'm like the previous speaker, very frustrated with Canadian ecosystem. I mean, if I want 100,000 or 150,000, I can find it. But we're in scale mode right now. We need somewhere between $2 and $5 million. I haven't found that in Canada. I got to go down to the United States. We just finished closing our seed round with another $1.5 million. All of that came from US investors. So Canada is really falling behind in terms of investing in the kind of entrepreneurs that you're profiling here. From a standpoint of help, sales probably. I need more. I need somebody in the construction sector. I could use somebody in the forestry sector to create additional sales in those sectors.